Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Professor Dr. Saliha Naqmi Habibullah, and I'm here to render the course Statistical Computing in R. The book that we will be following is the one that you see now on the screen. It's called The Book of R, a first course in programming and statistics. It has been written by Tilman Davies, and it is quite a good book. तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि how we will start. Obviously, the very first thing would be that you would need to download R, which is a freely available programming language and a very powerful programming language. The very good thing about it is that it's freely available. So you need to learn that how you would install it after you download it. So that's our first topic. And I would be reading a little bit from your own book, which I have just now introduced to you. It says in the very beginning, R provides a wonderfully flexible programming environment favored by the many researchers who do some form of data analysis as part of their work. In this very first module, students, I will lay the groundwork for learning and using R, and I will cover the basics of installing R and certain other things useful to know before you begin. इसके आगे वो बताते हैं कि R is available for Windows and also for some other platforms. I, in this course, will be focusing, my dear students, on Windows. So we will be learning how to install R on Windows. So the first point in this regard is that you can find the main collection of R resources online at the Comprehensive R Archive Network, which is called CRAN. यानी कि इसका जो abbreviation है Comprehensive R Archive Network, that's CRAN, और ये बहुत well-known term है. And we talk about CRAN and we talk about CRAN mirrors. So, students, I will now demonstrate to you step by step how to install R. और इसको हम base R कहते हैं क्योंकि at a later stage you will be talking about and dealing with R Studio, but that comes later. अभी तो हम बिल्कुल ABC से start ले रहे हैं और जो मैं आपके सामने खोलूंगी पहले इंस्टॉल करके जो कुछ हम करेंगे that is base R. Okay, all right, so let me get to the website. और इसमें आप देखिए कि ये जो लेफ्ट साइड पे डाउनलोड लिखा हुआ है उसके नीचे ये लफ्ज लिखा हुआ है CRAN, and I'll click on this one, and when I click on this thing I get this page and it says on the top CRAN mirrors, and the sentence that we have here, let me read that for you. The Comprehensive R Archive Network is available at the following URLs. Please choose a location close to you. Some statistics on the status of the mirrors can be found here. If you want to host a new mirror at your institution, please have a look at this one. अभी हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या दिया हुआ है. Zero Cloud, अर्जेंटीना, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ऑस्ट्रिया. इस तरह से अगर आप चलते जाएं तो अब आपको काफ़ी मुल्कों के नाम यहाँ पे नज़र आते हैं. China is close to Pakistan, and then we also have others. Iran is also here, but we find that we do not have a CRAN mirror for Pakistan. Norway के बाद Poland है. So I will choose Iran, which is just next door. So I will choose this one and I will click on this one. ये जो उसके साथ दिया हुआ है URL, इसको मैं क्लिक करने लगी हूँ. And clicking on this one, I get this page. और इसमें ये ऑप्शंस आपको दिख रहे हैं. Download R for Linux, download R for Mac OS, और उसके बाद download R for Windows. Obviously हम लोग ज़्यादातर पाकिस्तान में विंडोज़ ही यूज़ करते हैं, तो मैं इसी को क्लिक करूँगी. ओके, आई हैव क्लिक्ड ऑन दिस वन. और उसके बाद व्हाट डू वी सी? वी सी इंस्टॉल R फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. इसको मैं क्लिक करने लगी हूँ. आई हैव क्लिक्ड ऑन इट. और उसके बाद यहाँ पे ऑन द टॉप वी सी डाउनलोड R 4.3.1 फॉर विंडोज़. और ये नोट करें कि ये 79 मेगाबाइट्स और 64 बिट लिखा हुआ है. तो अगर आपका कंप्यूटर जो है वो 64 बिट वाला है तो फिर आप इसको करेंगे. अब मैं इसको डाउनलोड को दबाया मैंने एंड इट विल हैव स्टार्टेड डाउनलोडिंग. उसके बाद ये डाउनलोड हो जाता है और मेरे इस कंप्यूटर में एक्चुअली पहले से डाउनलोडेड है. आप करेंगे तो ये डाउनलोड हो जाएगा और उसके बाद इस तरह की इसकी शक्ल आपको नजर आएगी. ऑलराइट, this kind of an icon you will see in your downloads folder. And then what? When you will double click on that icon, you will see the following. And it will inquire from you, as it is saying here, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? ये नीचे yes का ऑप्शन है और आप obviously yes ही क्लिक करेंगे. उसके बाद you will get this box and you should choose English because obviously we are familiar with English. तो ये अगर आप यहाँ पे देखिए एरो नज़र आ रहा है, उसको क्लिक करके इंग्लिश ले लेंगे और उसके बाद ओके क्लिक करेंगे. After that, what next? Then you will see this kind of a box और उसके अंदर ये next का जो लफ्ज़ है इसको आप क्लिक करेंगे. उसके बाद you will see this kind of a box and then again you will click on next. आपके लिए मैंने आपकी आसानी के लिए ये सारी चीज़ें स्क्रीनशॉट्स की शक्ल में आपके सामने रख दी हैं. Next you will see this one and again you will click on next. I'm trying to make it very simple for you because it's your very first encounter with R maybe. So the next one is this one. And then again we click on next. And then the next one is this one. And we click on next. Agla jo hai, again we do the same thing. Click on next. And here, after all that, installation starts. ये आपको इस तरह से मूव करता हुआ दिखेगा, जो कि स्लाइड के ऊपर तो obviously static आपको दिख रहा है. But you will see this. And then lastly, you will see the following. ये आपको नजर आएगा और नीचे लफ्ज मिलेगा finish and you click on finish. And when you do that, then R is installed and this is the icon. And so that is it. So please do all of this. Install R, and then you're ready to start your work. Thank you.